Sitting in Vajrasana, take your hand back side. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, breathe out. Forehead touch the ground. Inhale, connect your body with your breath. Feel the nice stretch. Exhale, breathe out. Keep your hips close to your heels. Relax your body. Slowly come up. Now move to tiger breathing position. Take one arm distance. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring attention to a sensation in the body. Watching your thoughts and giving yourself the ability to be still present with yourself. Stay present with your breath. Slowly come to child's pose, Shashank asana. Feel the nice stretch. Come to prone posture, lay down on the abdomen. Join your legs. Take your hands up to chest level. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Inhale, open through the chest and look towards the sky. Exhale, breathe out. Stay present with your breath. Exhale, breathe out. Breathe in. Keep your lower body relaxed and focusing, strengthening the back muscles. This is a great exercise for anybody suffering from back pain. Lift your body as much as you can. Slowly release. Relax. Relax in Makarasana relaxation. Leg support. Chin on the crossed hands. Allow your body to completely relax. Let's move to locust posture. Join your legs. Both hands make a fist. Hold on your thighs. Shalabha breathing. Single leg rising. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the nice stretch in your thigh muscles, lower back, rise, release. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Connect your body with your breath. Feel the nice stretch in your thigh muscles, lower back. Feel the heaviness in your thighs. Slowly release. Switch to another side. Hold as much as you can. Slowly release. Come to supine posture. Bend your knee. Place it on your chest. Notice how your body began to relax deeper and deeper. Muscles and joints are surrendering to your body. Connect with your breath. Focusing the inhale and exhale. Bring attention to your body and mind. Watch every thoughts. Be present and enjoy. Take a deep breath. Hug your both knees. Stay present with your breath. Keep your lower body relaxed and focusing the strengthening the back muscles. Slowly rotation clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Take a deep breath in and out. Slowly rock side to side. Allow your both knee touch the ground. Feel the gentle stretch of the lumbar spine. Slowly hold your ankles. Lift your body. Slowly lift your lower back, middle back, up to neck region. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Lift as much as comfortable you can. Then slowly release. Take a deep breath. Relax in Shavasana relaxation. Check in with your body here, noticing the difference from the beginning of the practice, how you feel right now. Bring that awareness into the area of your body that's bothering you today. Welcoming beautiful healing energy into that area of your body. Breathing in and out, remembering the power of your mind. You are strong enough to heal yourself, to overcome any obstacle you are facing right now. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Feel the awareness of your side of the body. Slowly come to sitting posture. Right hand above the head. Turn to your right side. Support of your both hands. Slowly come to sitting posture. Feel the beautiful healing energy flowing in your body. Thank you.